Hello, I'm Janine from Win with Yoga, fitness and flexibility expert for women over 50. Welcome to our channel where you'll find 5 to 30-minute videos to help women over 50 get rid of the aches and pains of getting older and feel better than they have in years. After over 20 years working with thousands of women 50 and better, and being a woman over 50 myself, I get it. Our bodies change. Exercise that worked before may not work now. Workouts previously enjoyed may no longer be enjoyable. Here you'll find fitness and flexibility videos that focus on energizing your body, building strength, flexibility, stamina, and balance with low-impact yoga and fitness that moves with an easy pace with exercise alternatives to suit different needs and fitness levels. You'll also find tutorials on how to work with injuries or areas that need a little more TLC, like knees, wrists, hips, and low back. Make sure to click like on the videos you love so I know what to create more of, and leave a comment to help out the next yogi, and it's great feedback for me. You can connect with me here as well as on Facebook and Instagram, and of course, subscribe so you know when we post new videos. I'm passionate about helping women over 50 build sustainable fitness habits. Regular daily exercise is essential to keep us moving with ease, freedom, and fluidity, and keep us feeling amazing so we can keep doing all the activities we love to do. So you're gonna love how easy I've made it to start a daily routine. It's my 5-day fitness and flexibility fix for women over 50. In this 5-day jumpstart, you'll learn how to get rid of the aches and pains of getting older and feel better than you have in years in just 10 minutes a day. And if you like the fix, you might enjoy my 30-day program, Fit and Flexible for Life. Links are in the description. So there are many ways for us to connect, but what's most important is getting started, and it's as simple and quick as taking 10 minutes for yourself right now. So click subscribe, grab my 5-day fix, or start with 10-minute morning yoga for women over 50. Click on the link above or in the description. It's all levels. It's a quick, full body stretch to get you inspired and feeling great. All you have to do is click play, and I will see you real soon.